Prop trading is becoming one of the most powerful ways for traders to scale their results. And today, we're reviewing one of the most promising new firms in the market, OneFunded. OneFunded is a UK-based proprietary trading firm that provides traders with access to virtual capital from $2,000 up to $100,000 and offers profit splits of up to 90%. In this video, I'll walk you through what makes OneFunded different, how their evaluation challenges work, and how you can get started using my 15% discount code linked below. Let's get started. OneFunded allows traders to trade the financial markets using the firm's capital, not their own. This means you can scale your trading results without risking personal funds. To put it in perspective, trading with $500 of your own capital gives you limited room to grow. But trading with a $100,000 funded account gives you the ability to manage larger positions, diversify your trades, and aim for meaningful profits, all while the firm carries the financial risk. OneFunded officially launched in September 2025 and is registered as a UK limited company. Being a young firm, OneFunded is focused on transparency, reliability, and trader support, aiming to establish long-term trust within the trading community. The process of joining OneFunded is straightforward. Pick your challenge. Choose from several account sizes and challenge types. Complete the challenge. Demonstrate consistency and discipline to meet the profit targets. Unlock your funded account. Once passed, you'll receive a live funded account with virtual capital. Trade freely. Use OneFunded's capital to trade in real market conditions with zero personal investment. Request your payout. Profits are shared with you, up to a 90% split. OneFunded currently supports two professional trading platforms, TradeLocker and cTrader, with MT5 coming soon. Both platforms provide fast execution, stability, and a modern trading experience. OneFunded offers multiple evaluation options, including one-phase, two-phase, and their special 1F challenge, which is designed to be more accessible and trader-friendly. The 1F challenge stands out because it requires only 2 minimum trading days. Profit targets are just 7% in Phase 1 and 4% in Phase 2. You can start with as little as $23, and even less when you use the 15% discount code from the description. And once you make your first payout, your challenge fee is 100% refundable. This structure provides a fair balance between skill and flexibility, allowing traders to focus on strategy rather than restrictive rules. When you register on OneFunded.com, you'll access a clean, intuitive dashboard designed to make account management simple. You can monitor all your challenges, view performance data, and explore several built-in tools such as the Reward Center, where you can earn points by completing simple actions. These points can be redeemed for discounts or even free challenges. The Economic Calendar, which helps you stay on top of major market events. The Leaderboard, a transparent ranking of OneFunded traders. It updates in real time, allowing you to track performance across the community or compete to reach the top. When purchasing a challenge, simply select your preferred account size, apply the discount code, and the final cost will update instantly. For example, a $27 challenge may drop to around $23 after the discount. To give you a better idea of the trading environment, let's look at the platforms OneFunded offers. Starting with TradeLocker. Available through demo.tradelocker.com, you can log in with the demo credentials provided by OneFunded and connect to the OneFund server. TradeLocker features a modern interface, trading view style charts, and an overall smooth user experience. The second platform is cTrader, available at ct.onefunded.com. This platform is ideal for more advanced traders who prefer detailed order management, precise execution, and powerful analysis tools. Both platforms provide stable performance and full support for OneFunded accounts. OneFunded offers a trading environment that's genuinely built around traders, not against them. Their model focuses on fairness, flexibility, and transparency from start to finish. Traders can scale up to $100,000 in funding and enjoy profit splits of up to 90%. With a static drawdown system, there's no constant pressure from shifting limits, and the absence of mandatory stop-loss rules gives traders more control over their own strategies. Payouts are smooth and frequent, with bi-weekly withdrawals by default and an option for weekly payouts through add-ons. The minimum withdrawal starts at just $100, and crypto payouts are typically processed within 24 hours. OneFunded also supports multiple payment options, including PayPal, Coinbase, Confirmo, and credit or debit cards via Access. Beyond the numbers, Their reward center and leaderboard keep the experience engaging, while their transparent UK registration and verified reputation give traders a sense of trust and credibility that's rare in the prop firm space. At OneFunded, traders can access a wide variety of global markets, including Forex, cryptocurrencies, indices, metals, and both US and EU stocks. This allows traders to diversify their portfolio and find opportunities across multiple asset classes, all within a single platform. The leverage structure is set to ensure both flexibility and risk control, with up to 1 to 100 for Forex pairs, 1 to 30 for commodities and indices, and 1 to 2 for cryptocurrencies and stocks. OneFunded also supports a wide range of trading strategies. You're free to use copy trading, trade during news events, hedge your positions, or even apply martingale-style risk management if that's part of your system. However, to maintain a fair trading environment for everyone, high-frequency bots, latency arbitrage, delayed data feed trading, and other exploit-based methods are strictly prohibited. This balance between freedom and fairness is what helps keep OneFunded's ecosystem stable, transparent, and genuinely trader-focused. OneFunded also runs an educational blog at onefunded.com/blog, where financial experts share trading guides, insights, and updates, a great resource for both beginners and experienced traders. Additionally, they maintain an active Discord community, offering customer support, updates, and even weekly giveaways and free challenge opportunities. Their support team is responsive through both email and Discord, prioritizing quick resolutions and a positive trader experience. If you're looking to start prop trading with a transparent, flexible, and reliable firm, OneFunded is definitely worth considering. You can get started for as little as $23. Use the 15% discount code in the description, and once you receive your first payout, your challenge fee is fully refunded. All official links, including the website, social media pages, and the promo code, are provided below, along with a pinned comment for quick access. Choose wisely, trade with your own $100,000, or trade with OneFunded's $100,000. The opportunity is there. It's up to you to take it.